In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up client portals on Monday. An invaluable feature for those seeking to streamline their client interactions and project management tasks. By the end, you'll be confidently setting up your own portals with ease. Let's dive in. First, head over to your monday.com workspace and navigate to your sample board. This is the board where you want to set up your client portal, so it's essential to begin here. Once you're at the board, direct your attention to the top of the page. You'll notice an option that says Add View. Go ahead and click on it. Adding a new view is a crucial step because it allows us to integrate and visualize additional tools and apps right on our board. After selecting Add View, you'll want to click on the Apps button. This unlocks a world of possibilities by giving you access to a plethora of apps that can enhance your board's functionality. But don't get lost here. We are looking for something specific, so click on Explore More Apps. This section offers a wide range of choices, but our focus today is on client portals. In the search bar, type in Client Portal. This is designed specifically to narrow down your search results and quickly lead you to the relevant application. Be sure to spell everything correctly to ensure that you find the exact tool we need. Among the search results, you should see something called the Client Portal Builder. This is what we're looking for. Give it a click. With the Client Portal Builder now front and center, the next step is to install it. Click on the Install App button. This process is straightforward and guided by monday.com. Installing the app is essential because it seamlessly integrates into your board, ready to assist you in creating customized client portals tailored to your specific needs. At this point, you're all set up to start using the client portal feature to its full potential. With the portal in place, you can now enjoy the benefits of having a dedicated space for your clients to access. They can view project statuses, provide feedback, and stay engaged without the need for constant email exchanges or meetings. It's a win-win for both parties, fostering better communication and a more efficient workflow. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your client portal on monday.com. Feel free to explore further customizations and options within the Client Portal Builder to tailor the experience to your unique requirements. Remember, the key to effective client management is not only having the right tools, but also knowing how to utilize them efficiently. Happy organizing, and here's to hassle-free client interactions.